Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous video tutorial, we have populated the data tables with the real-time data from database. Now, we will make sure that to create a feature to editable or edit the tutorial post from the front end. So for that we need a edit page in which we have text field for title and summary note for description to be edited. We need to retrieve 3 columns from database behalf of the primary key of that post. So simply we will create action listener like this, in which we have name as edit, pass an integer id which will retrieve the specific record from database, create an object of tutorial post, open the connection of SQL server. Now pass the filter get post and retrieve and send the primary key stid, and upon the successful execution it will retrieve the data into the execute reader, and with the help of while loop we will populate our tutorial post object from the reader, having the specific index of each column. For the first index, which is 0, we have TID, then title, then description, and so on. And even that we will use the description in viewback. There is another reason by which we are using this, because in the summary note we cannot insert directly model values. So for that we will use viewback and insert that as a code in summary note. Now we need to create a view, so click here, add view. So view is added here. Now what we need to do, we need to copy the whole code of view and paste it here, but there is another difference. We will use that here. Now we will remove tutorial list from the tab, also the code. Now what we will do, remove this AJAX request because we don't need that. Here we have this. Okay, so first of all add a model here, tutorial post models dot this model. Now we will use text box 4 and add the lambda expression here. M dot title. Same is the case with this, if it will be the text box, but it's not a text box, it is a summary note. So for this what we will do, after initialization of summary note we will pass code, and now here we will use this viewback like this. Now let's execute this and you will observe we will get the record of tutorial post. One thing more, here is the filter by which we will get the record. It will get all the record from tutorial post, and by this we can apply the primary key. So in the case of 1 it will retrieve A and B in the front end. So let's pass the ID 1 and let's see what's come across to the front end, and you can see A and B. Okay, so when I will say ID is 2, so it should retrieve the record, but it's not retrieving. its ID is 3, so call 3. So we have this record here. So I hope this video tutorial is informative for you. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.